a young patient complaining of flashes of light. What is flashes of light? So this patient is coming with the photopsia here, and we also have a veil falling in front of the eye. What is this veil? This is called as a curtain-like effect. A curtain-like effect is also there. And the third is the painless loss of vision. So if you remember, I always say sudden painless loss of vision means posterior segment. So can you think of some pathology in the posterior segment with the sudden painless loss of vision, with the flashes of light in front of eye, with the curtain-like effect? What is this? This is actually the retinal detachment. So without seeing the options also, I can say that this is a retinal detachment. Eales disease is a vitreous hemorrhage. So the vitreous hemorrhage is not there and it's not a macular hole. Now let us discuss them one by one. If I talk about the retinal detachment is actually a misnomer, right? It is not a detachment, it is just the separation of the RPE from the neurosensory retina. And we have got three RDs. One is your RRD, then second is the ERD, and then third is the TRD. There are three types of RD, the RRD, ERD, and the TRD. And the most common amongst the three is the rhegmatogenous, that is your RRD. So basically we are talking about RRD in this question. Had it been like ERD, TRD and RRD, then your answer would have been this RRD. This is your rhegmatogenous retinal detachment. Rhegma means a retinal hole. So basically this RD is taking place due to a retinal hole. Hole mostly is horseshoe shape, which is present in the supratemporal quadrant. So what is happening whenever we have some hole in the supratemporal quadrant? Suppose you can visualize it like this. Okay, this is the vitreous cavity, and therefore you will have greenish color here. And here we have the retina. Now in this retina you have a hole. So what will happen? Whatever be the fluid, it will go through this hole and it will start accumulating in what space? It will be accumulating in the subretinal space, and therefore it will start creating a difference between the RPE and the neurosensory retina, and that is actually retinal detachment, and that is why it's a misnomer. Okay, now what happens? Because you have got separation, so this retina is falling. So this retina starts, becoming visible as a curtain-like effect, a very, very important thing. And this person will actually present with a sudden painless diminution of vision. Rather, it will be loss of vision. And a very, very important thing is a grayish reflex. Whenever you have a grayish reflex, what is the normal color of the reflex? The normal color of the reflex is a red reflex. So if I am getting a gray reflex instead of the normal red reflex, always it's a statutory warning, alarming symptom that something wrong is there, and grayish means the retina is falling there. Then because we have irritation with the retina, neurosensory retina, that is why we have got the photopsia. And due to the vitreous degeneration, we also have the floater. So whenever you have got retinal detachment, you have grayish reflex, you have got curtain-like effect. Along with the photopsia and floaters, it is always the rhegmatogenous retinal detachment. One very important sign that you get in the RRD is also the Schaeffer's sign. This is called as the Schaeffer's sign. What is Schaeffer's sign? Schaeffer's sign, or it is also called as the tobacco dusting sign. This is also called as the tobacco dusting sign. Schaeffer's sign or tobacco dusting sign. What is this? There I am getting the pigments in the vitreous. Pigments in the vitreous cavity. So whenever I get the pigments in the vitreous cavity, this is also RRD. And what is the shape of this RD? It is a funnel shape RD. It is a funnel shape RD. Now, let us see the other options also. They are saying, is it Eales disease, that is vitreous hemorrhage only? See, vitreous hemorrhage also causes sudden painless diminution of vision. But whenever I am having vitreous hemorrhage, this will always give me the absence of fundal glow. Absence of fundal glow. So, absence of fundal glow is not given in the question. Sudden painless is okay. Then there will be no curtain-like effect. No curtain-like effect. Therefore, I can say that this is not a case of the vitreous hemorrhage. Macular hole. Macula means the central vision. So, one more thing which they had given is a photopsia. There will be no photopsia also. So I am very, very sure, therefore, that this is not a case of Eales disease, that is a vitreous hemorrhage, not there. Macular hole की बात करते हैं. Macular hole में भी you will have the central scotoma, central diminution of vision, because macula is responsible for central vision. There is no point of photopsia here, no point of curtain-like effect. So you are very sure that the answer will be retinal detachment. And which type of retinal detachment? It is a rhegmatogenous retinal detachment.